Hi, welcome to week 4. Getting into the deepness of stuff. So you guys learned some derivative skills, and this week we're going to actually be week 4. Really, this kind of chain rule is like the most important thing that you got to pay attention to because the chain rule is something that always applies, no matter what rule you're doing, whether it's a trig rule or a power rule or any kind of rule. You always got to think about the chain rule, and that's going to happen this week. You're going to learn about that, and then the second and third parts are kind of like some specific interesting things um, that aren't as important big picture, but they're still skills that you need to have. But the chain rule is like huge. It's always going to apply, and it's really a practice of the skills that you've already had. So this week we've got kind of the normal thing. There's 3 sections, and our second step by step B. And then we'll be getting ready next week. We'll have some review because the following week, week 6, will be the first midterm. Bum bum bum.